welcome to Time Silicon Brick Builds. Today I'll be showing you how to build a mini TV for a Nintendo Switch. And it also has a drawer for your SD cards. Let's get started. So for the base you want an 8x16 plate with this L shape, as you can tell, with in width or with studs you should have an 8 brick long horizontally, and vertically you should have and a 23 studs long here. To build it, you want to build the horizontal part with 1x bricks and the vertical part with 2x bricks, as shown here. Then you can snap that on right here to make a corner on your 16x8 base plate. Next, you want to make a 6x15 block, which is 4 bricks high. Snap that right here. After you've done that, you can start moving on to the drawer. For the drawer, you want to make an 8x10 base with an 8. Actually, no, with the roof, you want an 8x8 base with the 1x2 and a few other bricks. So to start with, on the base, you want to put 1 brick here, which is 6 studs long and 3 bricks high, and same with the other side. And put the roof on, just like so it looks like this. You want to leave a 2 stud gap, so then you can bring in the base. You might need to take off the roof, put it in to connect it, and put this back. By now you should have a 24 stud base with 8 studs going horizontally. To build the walls, what you want to do is stack it up 24 studs long and 3 studs horizontally and 24 studs vertically. And you want to snap that just on top right here, leaving a 1 stud gap right behind there. Now what you want to do is put 3 1x6 bricks horizontally with a 1x4 brick following there. Next, for the roof, you want to build a 24x4 plate with 2 bricks in height, and just snap that obviously on top here. And for the drawer, you want a 6x6 base, 2 bricks high, all with 6x6, a Technic brick with Technic pin, and a piece that looks a bit like a cylinder, which you'll put right in here, and tiles to finish it off the top. Now you can put SD cards in. And just simply put the drawer in, and it fits snug. I will now show you how to put the screen in. So this is a Nintendo Switch screen. And what you want to do with it is open up the roof. So you want to put your Switch tablet in here and just close off the roof. Or you could just simply take these bricks out. So, and to turn it off and put SD cards in, it's the same thing. You take off the roof and close it after you've done what you have to do. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking, subscribing and sharing. Bye! I'll quickly show you a quick demo before I go. So you have the screen here with the roof, which is supposed to detach, and your drawer for SD cards. Bye.